Hey guys, I'm Taron James from BuddhaBox, Mayfair here in London, and this is the fundamentals of boxing. And in this video, we're going to go through combinations. So, combinations. What is combinations in boxing? Well, in my opinion, combinations is 2 or more punches in a set sequence. Okay, so throwing double jab is a combination. Double jab cross is a combination of 3. You know, jab cross, that's 4. So, you know, there's the reason why we throw combinations in boxing is because the aim of the game is to hit and not get hit. And if I throw or outwork my opponent, I'm gonna be more likely scoring more points. I'm outworking my opponent. So I wanna try and hit them as many, unless you have some serious knockout power and you can just land one shot. But I'm assuming not everyone has one punch knockout power. So combinations is usually the best way to go about throwing, winning. Yeah. So let me do some demonstrations for you, some examples of what is a combination in boxing. So first one I'm going to do is the double jab. So here in my boxing stance, I throw the double jab in a sequence of 2. So I'm here, jab, jab, okay? So here, I double jab, I double step, and I step back. That's an example of a combination. Another one. Double jab, cross. So instead of just throwing 2 punches, I'm here, double jab, cross. Okay, so I'm throwing a sequence of 3 in my combination. Okay, another one here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm throwing a set of 4, for example, here. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so a combination is anything for 2 or more punches in a set sequence. Okay, so once you know a few, you can just practice them. So I'm just going to do the ones that I've just said. So here I'm in my boxing stance. I got my double jab. Here I go double jab cross. Okay, 4 straight punches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How to improve on your combinations? Well, there's a number of ways. You can practice combination punches by shadow boxing, visualizing you have an opponent in front of you and you're throwing your combinations in the air. You could hit the bag, throw a set of combinations on the heavy bag, head and body. And also you can also do some pad work with a boxing trainer. Hopefully it would be me if you're local to me, but if not, at your local boxing gym, wherever you are. So, shadow boxing, heavy bag, and pad work with your trainer. So try it yourself. Combinations.